Hello, this knit is a distant relative of English elastic and is appropriate for knitters just starting out. The slipped loops and yarn over stitches are the main components. It won't sag because of its strong structure. Aside from being somewhat embossed and mountainous, the reverse side is equally lovely. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 4 rows. We start from the wrong side. Row 1 wrong side, the repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 1 with a yarn over, and knit 1. Again, knit 1, slip 1 with a yarn over, and knit 1. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 2 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1, slip 2, a loop with a yarn over stitch, with a yarn over, and purl 1. Again, purl 1, slip 2 with a yarn over, and purl 1. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 3 wrong side, the repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 3, a loop with 2 yarn over stitches, knit 1. Again, knit 1, slip 3, knit 1. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. Row 4 right side, the repeat pattern is purl 1, knit 3 together, a loop with 2 yarn over stitches, purl 1. Continue to knit in this manner until the end of the row. In both wool and cotton yarn, this unique double-sided laconic knit is simple to make and appropriate for every season. It is perfect for blouses, capes, scarves, and vests because of its remarkable texture. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.